In this video, I will demonstrate how to make a flower with our 3D gel. As you can see, the tube actually releases the gel quite easily, and so I start by wiping the tip because that tends to help me have a little bit more control. I also am very gentle with pressure when I'm squeezing, because if you squeeze too much, then you get quite a lot of gel out at once, and it's much harder to work with. So a light touch is definitely the key. The gel does move around if it hasn't been cured, so I will use a dotting tool and go in if I feel like an area hasn't been filled in quite nice enough, or if there's too much in one area that I would like to have removed. Next, I cure it when I'm happy with my start of the design. Now I'm going to go in and I'm just going to make some more petals. And I just stagger them throughout. I don't really have a set design as to what I'm doing. I'm just kind of making petals as I go along that sort of looks like a flower. Like I said, this is a new material for me. It's not something that I've used a lot of, and I do find it tends to be a little bit trickier. So I like to use the dotting tool to place it better and cure as I work. I'm just finishing off with my last row of petals to complete the flower. I used 2 layers of Eye to the Soul for my base color for this. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out, so I'm going to pop it under the lamp and cure it once more. Once it's completed curing, I'm going to top it with a layer of Clearly Frisky just to seal the design together. You have to make sure that you really layer the Clearly Frisky nicely, because it will bubble in certain areas just because of the 3D design. So you want to make sure that you've done it nice and evenly throughout and done quite a few swipes. And that's it. That's our design.